The headquarters on the ranch are functional, featuring a main house, ranch hand house, shop, horse barn, large working pens, a large arena, as well as a large round pen. The property is cross-fenced into 34 separate pastures, with the numerous springs and seeps that provide several hundred acres of sub-irrigated pasture. Water on this ranch is a pretty strong asset. So there's 5 year-round streams, over 24 wells, and 50 ponds across the deeded and leased ground. That includes almost 17 miles of Poison Spider Creek, along with numerous other perennial streams and seeps.